Hello everybody. Today we will discuss about law of indices. I've seen a lot of students making a lot of mistakes when it comes to pass. So today I will teach you how to use these powers effectively. To know them better, you have to know the rules. So I will explain you. Kindly follow carefully. So let's start the law of indices. According to these laws, point number 1. When you have 8 to the power of m into 8 to the power of n, then your powers will get added. So here a to the power of n plus n. I repeat, when you have a to the power of m into a to the power of n, in case of multiplication, that will be equivalent to e to the power of m plus n. The powers get added. For example, 3 to the power of 5 into 3 to the power of 3, then the value will be 3 to the power of 5 plus 3, which is 8. So let's get into the second law. When you have a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n. So we have a division sign here where we have a common base. So a to the power of n divided by a to the power of n. Here this will be equivalent to a to the power of m minus n. I repeat, a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n. Then this will be equivalent to a to the power of m minus n in case of division. For example, if you have 6 to the power of 7 divided by 6 to the power of 3, then this will be equal to 7 minus 3, 6 to the power of 4. So when you have multiplication, the powers will get added. When you have a division, then the powers will get subtracted. I hope this example is clear. Point number 3. When you have 8 to the power of m, the whole thing to the power of n. Here, please understand, a to the power of m, the whole thing to the power of n. In this case, this will be equivalent to a to the power of m into n. When you have a to the power of m, the whole thing to the power of n, in this case, the powers get multiplied. For example, if you have 10 to the power of 3, the whole thing multiplied, the whole thing to the power of 7, then this will be equivalent to 3 into 7, which is 21. So the powers will get multiplied, forming 10 to the power of 21. So when you have a to the power of m, the whole thing to the power of n, then this will be equivalent to a to the power m into n. So it gets multiplied. So the next, whenever you have a to the power of 1, this is nothing but simply a. For example, if you have 4 to the power of 1, this will be equal to 4. The next one, 0.5. whenever you have a or a base number or a number to the power of 0. So when you have 0, this will be always equal to 1, irrespective whether a is 2 or 100 or 1000, whatever. When it is in the power of 0, this will be equivalent to 1. For example, 19 to the power of 0. So this will be always equal to 1. So no matter whether a number is any of the number, either positive or negative number, whenever it is to the power of 0, this will be always equal to 1. So let's get into the next one. That is, when you have two numbers, that is a divided by b, the whole to the power of m. I repeat, a divided by b, the whole thing to the power of m. In this case, this will be equal to a to the power of m and b to the power of m. And I repeat here, whenever you have a by b, the whole thing to the power of m, this will be simply equal to a to the power of m and b to the power of m. So let's consider an example. For example, 2 by 3 the whole square. So this will be nothing but 2 square by 3 square, which is nothing but 4 by 9. Okay? When you have a bracket covering the entire thing, so in that case, the power will be shared by both the numbers, both numerator and the denominator. So let's consider the next one. Whenever you have a minus power, okay, for example, a to the power of minus m. So in this case, this will be equivalent to 1 by a to the power of m. Okay, so it's either vice versa. A to the power of minus m will be equivalent to 1 by a to the power of m. For example, if you have 2 to the power of minus 2, okay? So in this case, this will be equivalent to 1 by 2 to the power of 2, which is nothing but 1 by 4. Okay? So whenever you have a power like minus m, irrespective like it's minus 3 or minus 4, whatever the power, it will become 1 by a to the power of m to remove the minus. Okay. The last one, when you have a to the power of x by y. Okay. So when you have a number having the power x by y, in this case your y will just come outside the root and your a will come inside the root and the x will be the power of a. So when I repeat here again, when you have a to the power of x by y, then this will be equivalent to y root a to the power of x. For example, if you have 36 to the power of half. If you have 36 to the power of half, okay? In this case, this will be equivalent to your base of the thing, power 2. 2 root 36. Okay, which is simply nothing but root of 36. Sorry, let me repeat here. 2 root 36 to the power of 1. So this will be nothing but root of 36 is nothing but 6. I hope these laws are very clear, and this is very important because all your problems are based on most of these laws. When understood clearly, it is easy to solve any problem. Thank you so much.